Hello guys, today I'm going to show you a few tips so if you cannot find your Bluetooth accessory on the Motorola G22. So if you have a problem to find your Bluetooth gadget, always start from the simplest way, so switch off and switch on again the Bluetooth connection to restart it. You can also try to restart your phone. It's obvious, I know, but sometimes it really works, so just try it. You have to be sure that your Bluetooth accessory has activated Pair Mode, and how to activate Pair Mode you will find in the manual to your device, or maybe on your YouTube channel, so just check it and be sure that your Bluetooth accessory should be visible for other devices. But it's still not for your phone. Let's open the settings, then go to the system, and choose Reset options. Select the Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth, tap on the Reset settings and tap on the button again. After that, look again for your device on the Bluetooth list. You can also try to upgrade your system, so open the settings like before and go to the system updates. Click on the check for updates if you have any, install it and check for your device again. That's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment and goodbye.